In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members to your Stripe account. Adding teammates to your Stripe account is a great way to share responsibilities securely while keeping control over who can see and do what. To begin, sign into your Stripe dashboard using your primary account. You'll want to be an account owner or have permission to manage team settings so you can complete the process without interruptions. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the cog icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click it. Then open the section labeled Team, sometimes shown as Team and Security. Here, you'll see any existing members, their roles, and a list of invitations that are still pending. It's a good place to confirm who already has access before you add anyone new. Next, start the invitation process by selecting the option to add someone. Depending on your view, it may say New Member or Add Member. Both take you to the same form. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Use a work email if possible to keep things organized. If you are inviting more than one person, you can usually add multiple emails, and Stripe will send a separate invitation to each address. Before sending the invite, choose a role for each teammate. Roles determine their access level. Stripe provides predefined options that range from limited read-only access to broader administrative capabilities. If you hover over or select a role, you'll typically see a brief description of what that role can do, which helps you match responsibilities to permissions. A helpful rule of thumb is to grant only the access someone needs for their job. You can always adjust it later. When everything looks right, click Invite. Stripe immediately emails the recipients with a secure link. Invitations may expire after a period of time, so it's a good idea to let your teammates know to watch their inbox, including their spam or promotions folders. To complete the process, each recipient must open the email, click the link, and accept the invitation. If they don't already have a Stripe login under that email address, they'll be guided to create one before they can access your account with the role you assigned. After sending invites, you can return to the team page anytime to review pending invitations, resend them if needed, or update roles for existing members as your organization evolves. That's it. You've successfully added team members to your Stripe account while keeping access secure and organized. Thanks for watching.